Are you done?
No. Are you done?
Huh?
Are you done?
Am I done?
Yeah. It's right here. It's my car right now, right?
That's your car, yeah.
Okay. Is it? I pick it up right now.
Okay, you were parked in somebody's reserved
It's
spot.
I told you. He said I'm moving my car.
Yeah, so I'm still hooked up to it, and you just jacked up your car.
Because like, it's one question for you. Is why for open my car? For what?
You're parked in somebody's spot.
Because like you know how I open my car, wherever. Like Amy called the police. Like
You can
open
call
my
the
car.
police. I
Okay,
recorded the
okay,
whole
because-
thing, my friend.
Okay.
Go for it, man.
Okay, so is it one question for you? Why open my car?
Why did I open your vehicle?
Yeah.
Because it is nosed in, and I had to get it into neutral to
It's
tow it out of
not
this
needed,
spot.
is you not needed to open my car. You don't need to open my car. Why you open my car?
I just told you I needed to open it to get it to neutral to pull it out of the spot.
No, sir. Because like every word, like not open the car. Not open the car. You open the car. Is no. You don't understand?
I don't understand what you're saying, man.
You're right. So you open the car. Is
I did open the car, yes.
No, because well, what?
To put the vehicle into neutral to tow it safely.
No, sir. You open the car. Is no. Is no. You don't understand?
I have no idea what you're saying, dude.
Okay. All right. Okay, put it back. Put it back.
Actually,
Please
I'm
put
gonna
it back.
get another driver out here. 13:35 ending.